Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the multiversal VIC control inside your Unity project. So first thing first, you want to go to our website mvc.org, and from there you want to go to get started. Currently we only have the pro version to try for 40 days, but soon we're gonna launch the community version on the asset store for free. If you're watching this video after the multiversal VIC controller gets released on the asset store, you'll have a download button. You just click on it. Otherwise, if you want to try the pro version, you just click on start 40 days trial, and then all you want to do is fill in the blanks and choose your configuration for the toolkit. For users that have already bought a multiversal VIC controller, you're gonna have to go to your dashboard. Otherwise, if you're using the asset store version of the multiversal VIC controller, i.e. the community version, you just have to skip to step 3 or 4. So let's just log in. After logging, all you have to do is go to open dashboard, and from there you're gonna have your dashboard over here with some stats. First thing we're gonna do is go to download now. It's gonna open another page, and you're gonna click download for free, and you're gonna check this box to accept the terms of use of this product, and click start download. And from there you're gonna have to download the package. I'm just gonna click close so I can import it manually. So I've created a Unity project over here. I'm gonna go to assets, import package, custom package, and then I'm gonna go to my downloads and import the file that we've just downloaded. I'm gonna click import and wait for things to compile. So as you can see, the Unity installer has started the process. In case you were prompted to restart the Unity editor and this window didn't appear, all you have to do is go to tools and click on install MVC. But for now, we're going to just have to wait for this process to finish. And in case of any errors that might happen during the install process, a try again button will appear and you'll just have to click on it. And that's it, everything will be done automatically. So what just happened is that the install wizard of the multiversal VIC controller installed a few required packages. All you have to do now is click on start install, and you're going to click continue. So sometimes the install wizard might fail to retrieve data from our servers. All you're going to have to do is click continue, and if an error appears in the console, just close the window and go to tools and install the MVC from 0. So for now we're just going to click continue and wait for the package to be downloaded, and it's going to be imported automatically. Now, as I said, if you were using the asset store version of the toolkit, you won't have to do any of these steps. Once everything has finished compiling, the Toolkit Setup wizard will appear. So we press the Let's Get Started button, make sure you read the license agreement, and then click Next. And make sure you read the Terms and Conditions agreement, and click on I agree to the terms and conditions, then click next again. Now here we have a couple settings that we're going to check out one by one. First thing, we have the render pipeline. For now I'm using the built-in render pipeline. Any render pipeline that you're going to use is going to be detected automatically. You can choose other render pipelines, but you have to make some additional steps on your end, otherwise it's not gonna work. But we're gonna get back to the built-in render pipeline for now. Next thing, we have the physics. I'm just gonna use the wheel collider physics. Other wheel physics are not available for now, but they will be available soon, so we're just gonna stick with that. For the agent type, this is related to AI. This basically refers to the AI agent or the navigation agent that we're gonna use for our AI system. It is recommended that you use an agent type different from humanoid. So what we're gonna do is click on this pen button, the navigation window will appear, and from there you just have to create another agent using this plus button. For now I have created another agent called vehicle. If you're looking for the right settings, just go to show recommended agent settings and just copy and paste these values from here to here. Then what we're going to do is go to agent type and click vehicle or the agent that you just created. With that done, I'm just gonna hide the recommended settings and move on to the vehicles layer. The multiversal vehicle controller requires multiple layers to be added for it to work correctly. It is recommended to have these list of layers for the multiversal vehicle controller to work correctly, and it's also recommended that you use these layers inside your scenes so that our toolkit differentiates between different areas. So let's get back to the setup wizard. For the vehicles layer, we're going to assign vehicles. For the wheels layer, we're going to assign vehicle wheels. Now notice that new errors have appeared, and to fix that you just need to go to walkable mask and click nothing. Now we fixed that, but we have another issue. The walkable mask is a required field, so at least you're going to have to assign the default layer to it. But since we have other layers, we're going to assign them too. So we're going to go here and click on ground as well. For the non-walkable areas, we're just going to go to this mask and select water, obstacles, and walls. And if you have any other layers, make sure you integrate them within these 4 fields. Next thing, we have the unit measurement settings. For me, I'm just going to keep it on metrics, since personally I use the metric units to measure things in real life. Next, we move on to the input system. There are 2 input systems available, the inputs manager and the Unity legacy input system. The Unity legacy input system is kind of deprecated, so it's recommended to use the inputs manager. And the inputs manager is an input system that we've created that it's based on the new input system made by Unity. So we're going to click that. Lastly, we have to choose the audio folder path. This folder is required to save necessary audio files for your project. So we're going to click on browse and make sure you're inside a resources folder. This resources folder could be anywhere on your project, but make sure it's named resources. Inside that folder, just going to go on audio. If you don't have this folder, just create a new folder and name it audio or whatever name you want. I'm just going to select that and click select folder. Now everything is ready. I'm just going to click install and click yes. Now we click continue and wait for the setup wizard to download some files. So after the download process has been complete, we're going to click OK, and then we're going to go to get license key. If you're using the Asset Store version, this won't be required. So we're going to click yes to open the dashboard. Now the seats manager inside the dashboard will be open. What you're going to have to do is go to add seats, double click on it, and then we're going to click on the get license key button. From there we're going to copy the key and get back to Unity. We're going to open the settings panel and click on activate now. From there we're going to just have to paste the key and click activate. We're going to confirm and click confirm again. And voila, everything has been done successfully. You can go to the main panel and everything should be fine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. You can join our Discord community through the links below. Also, you can subscribe to this channel to keep up with new tutorials and newer projects. So yeah, goodbye.